So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can tag everyone on a WhatsApp group at once. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your WhatsApp and you have to open up the group that you wanna tag everyone. So please make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after opening the group, you have to click on message. So you can see at the rate of everyone. Okay, everyone. So this is not blue icon, so this means this doesn't work. If this is not blue, this doesn't work for everyone to mention. So what you need to do to tag everyone from a group, you have to click on at the rate of and you have to individually select all the members from the group. So this is the only way guys. This is how you can tag everyone from a group on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.